Welcome back to the NMR lab. To make way for installation of a new magnet, we had to quench our old magnet, and here we show you the quench, including some infrared thermal camera views of it. Okay, this magnet has served us for some 36 years, and now it's time for it to go. So we have evaporated off most of the helium, but we're going to just open the vacuum and it should do a quench right away. I'm going to do that. Easy. Open the nitrogen. That's what we need. No. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about the NMR lab at the Hebrew University. The NMR lab is a world-class facility that offers cutting-edge research and services in the field of chemistry. The lab has a variety of NMR spectrometers that provide high-resolution structural and dynamic information on molecules and materials. The lab also has a team of highly experienced and friendly staff who can assist you with your NMR needs, from sample preparation to data analysis. If you are interested in using the services of the NMR lab, please visit our website or contact us by email or phone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about the Hebrew University NMR laboratory. See you next time.